Hello, everyone. It's Vicki with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside. Just going over the local market update for the 5 zip codes in Myrtle Beach. Here they are: 29577, 29575, 7972, and 88. So I'm going to go through these quickly. You can go back and look at them on your own because I'm trying to make things quicker. So this is excellent news for everybody. What I'm about to share. Hopefully you can see this. So this is showing from January to December in 29577. We closed above where we started in January at 492,898, closed at 493,475. So even though we fluctuated through all this, our prices are still higher than they were in January. Average days on market are down, which is good because we have more inventory. Average price is higher. That's excellent news for sellers. Month supply, about the same. Active listings, about the same. Now, this is where it gets really, and this is all the zip codes. Look at this. Pending sales in December, 75. That's crazy. Look at the closed sales from 40 to 92, and this was in December. So I'm just letting you know, if you are a buyer or if you're a seller, it's going to be good for sellers because when these interest rates go down, the buyers are going to come out like in a frenzy. Of course, when that happens, then we're going to get lower inventory rates because everybody's going to buy up everything, which is going to push the prices up again. So if you know somebody that wants to purchase a house, you better get one now. And I'm going to tell you about well, why don't I do it right now? I'm going to tell you, this is what happened in the year. So let's see, as far as interest rates. So in December, interest rates started at 7.375. They closed in December at 6.75. So even with that interest rate, look at how many homes are selling. And let me show you for each of these. This is it's cool. It's going to be scary for buyers, but that's why I'm warning everybody, buy now. I actually have a mortgage lender that is, and I'll explain this in another one. So just call me. It's 843-222-7800, Vicki Harvey. Okay, here's 29575, which is the like the Prestwick area of Myrtle Beach. The 77 was like the Market Common area of Myrtle Beach. So 75 is around Prestwick in that area. So in January, I like to go from January to December. Look at 371, 493 to 448, 430. Wow, what a difference. Average days on market, pretty much the same. Look at the price, though. Price per square foot is up. That is awesome. We got a little bit more supply than we did before. But they're not building here either. But look at this. So we had about 20 more active listings now. But look at this. This is what's crazy. 22 pending sales then, 76. Look at how many people are buying right now with interest rates up. Can you imagine what's going to happen when they drop? Look at that. Closed sales, 109. That's just crazy. It really is. We're about to see some weird, unfortunately, stuff happening again here soon. 29579 is the Carolina Forest area. Same thing. They're down. This is the only one in Myrtle Beach that is actually down from January. 520, 650 to 446, 984. Average days on market, there's less on average days on market. Doesn't take as long. Not too bad. Lost $3 for the average price per square foot. Less time to sell, 2.8, because we have less inventory. Not much though, but see, 430 to 381. But watch this. Pending sales, 138 to 343. Holy cow. Look at this. 96 sales to 403 closed sales in this area in December of 2023. It's crazy. Okay, 29572 is like the Grand Dunes area of Myrtle Beach. It's actually, excuse me, it's down from 887,951 to 716,156. Less days on market, and the average price per square foot is more, which is excellent. We're down on the months of supply because we don't have as many to sell. Active listings, you can see. But watch this. Pending sales, it doubled. 47. Closed sales, 59. Same thing. Absolutely crazy. 29588 is off of 707 in Myrtle Beach. 365, 756 in January. Up 387, 284. So like I said, only 79 was the only one was down in the price since January. Okay, average days on market, not too bad, not a big difference. We are up by $3 here, price per square foot. 2.2, so we have less inventory. They are still building a little bit in 29588 because you can see there was 261, 223, but look at this. Look at those 109 compared to 238 pending sales, which mean are going to close in the months coming. So look at these closed sales, people. 246. This is crazy. So I'm just telling you, give me a buzz if you are, looking to buy something here. I think is that the only, yep.